Honolulu medley. Malo, thank you. I don't know if you're just joining us. Come inside, make yourself at home. Find a couch, a chair, piece of floor, space of floor, just make house. It's kind of the living room for the next hour or so. And once again, my name is Eric Lee. Mahalo for joining us. Brian Mersberg here and Rodney Bija here. Hanging out with you is Pau Hana Friday music, Thursday music. Get you hungry over there like the poke bowl, floating around. I'm going to take you now to the Garden Isle of Kauai. For those of you that may be flying there, you get a chance, check out Mount Waialeale, the wettest spot on earth. Song that we recorded a few years back entitled Nani Waialeale.
Kaulana vale oi kauai, tuahi wina ni waialeale. Mena ki ni ea, mano kalani po. Kaulana vale oi kauai, tuahi wina ni waialeale. Mena ki ni ea, mano kalani po. He monia ini I he ala, o ka moki hana me halau e. Mena pua ea, like ole o ka aina. He monia ini he ala, o ka moki hana me halau e. Mena pua ea, like ole o ka aina. Na moloka mena limu ea e pati komana a kepa uina ina kolo ina pali I savaia o na moloka ma mena limu ea e pati komana a kepa. Ia mai ka puana, tua I wina ni waialeale. Mena ki ni ea, mano kalani mo. Haina ia mai ka puana, tua I wina ni waialeale. Mena ki ni ea, mano kalani mo. Mena ki ni ea.
To Nani Waialeale. Yeah. Okay. Breathe.